I am Coach Lavannia and I have been in CIY.Club for 3 years already. It's very interesting to coach. The kids actually improve a lot, especially for those who are slow students, and they actually progress fast. Something that I couldn't see outside. When I coach the kids to code, I basically learn from them. Their critical thinking and the way they speak is also, they show positive response. The challenges is that they are a little bit slow sometimes, but we don't use our pace to let them learn. We follow their pace. So it's fine to be slow, but what's important is that the quality of learning, and also that they will be able to learn progressively according to their own pace. They might not know what is that, or maybe they find it a little bit challenging. When they are able to progress maybe like level 2 or level 3, that challenge is not like a challenge anymore. It's something they already know. That's where they started to do a little bit faster at 7 years old. That will be the youngest. For them to learn from an early age is very encourageable. It improves their speaking skills, learning skills, and learning sets, thinking skills as well.